Yeah!
Crashed into something.
I didn't crash into nothing. I ain't got shit on, ain't no. I'm not a badass girl. Do the way I sin, ho. On God. Derek Bird is my uncle, bro. Yeah, do the way I sin. Derek Bird. You know Derek Bird? Oh, do you know Derek Bird?
Hi everyone, Karen had a memorable birthday when she faced a DUI. Let's watch Love Love. Have you ever wondered what happens when a routine trip to McDonald's ends with handcuffs, screaming, and innocent children caught in the middle of a storm? Let's break down a case that started as a simple fast food stop but unraveled into a full-blown police incident featuring open alcohol, reckless driving, and some of the most chaotic behavior officers have seen. And of course, we'll end with some world-class finger-pointing.
I got a whole ID. I got a driver's license and everything, baby.
No, I know.
Yeah, I know. You don't know.
No, I said I know. I got it.
No, you don't know. Cause you being weird.
Was it Shannon?
Yeah, Shannon Nicole Rains, baby.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, Shannon, can you tell me what happened?
My name is Shannon. I didn't do shit.
Okay, well, you crashed into something.
I didn't crash into nothing. They wanted me. I crashed into nothing.
Not that I can see.
Yeah. What I crashed into, baby? Nothing. Baby. Baby.
If I could just have you, when we do, have you come down here.
On November 6th, 2024, police in Ohio stopped a speeding truck with multiple children inside. It was revealed that moments earlier, the people inside the vehicle had gotten into an altercation at a McDonald's. There were also allegations that a baby was dropped at the restaurant.
They heard arguing, and then her like here just sitting in the roadway yelling, arguing with somebody, which is going to be this person, that person left.
Yeah. Okay, so she didn't crash into anything. Not that we can see from damage or from anything.
5351. 5351.
Now from the
So
it's a welfare check at this point.
No, stop. What I did with them. No, she's talking about what I did to her, baby.
Going good, thank you.
Yo, stop.
So at this
Stop.
point, we can either do
Stop.
one,
Stop. Stop.
If I did that for
She's talking about what I did to her. I ain't did nothing to her.
two, like you could even do.
Shut up.
last one of the 21 hour Leon is 5351.
I didn't realize you had that loud.
She could.
2024, baby.
Like out of the vehicle, or you
Yeah.
could do either
I
like.
said run.
Thank you.
But I literally said run the word.
Jumping
No matter. I ain't got nothing to do with that. I don't have nothing to do with that.
They called in for disturbing because she's out here in the middle of the
I have nothing to do with that. I have nothing to do with that.
Nothing to do with what?
I have nothing to do with whatever's going on. She told me, she said, oh, yo, I have nothing to do with that. So what y'all do? I already know what's going on over here.
What's going on? I just asked the question. You said you know what's going on. I don't know.
I know what's going on. They don't like this people over here, and that's fine. So I'm gonna go home.
Well, you can't drive
You
this.
can't drive.
That's fine. So you wanna park it up here, baby?
No, you're not driving it at
I'll
all.
park it. No, look, right there. No, look, right here.
Well, that's somebody's driveway.
Oh,
You can't park it there. But you can't drive this.
I'm down.
You just come in. Huh?
I'm down for DUI if you can do FSCs.
And you come, just step out real quick, like get off of whatever this is.
I'm gonna pull it over and get off it, but I'm not being arrested by anybody.
Nobody said you were arrested.
No, I know it wasn't.
Huh?
I got all this shit on here too.
Oh,
I got real that shit recorded too. Yeah.
What?
I got all that recorded shit too.
Temple.
I got all my shit recorded too.
Okay, so
Yeah. Well, come on, let's go over here, baby.
what's your name?
I'm Shannon Nicole Lewis.
So
Shannon Nicole. I'm right over here.
So Shannon,
Yeah.
I just asked if you could step out of
You know,
whatever
I'm
this
gonna
is.
pull.
No,
And
this isn't being moved.
They got me. They got me.
Can we try to move this? Yeah. Cool with that? So I can help you guys do it.
Yeah, let me make sure he's okay with that. That you're okay with that.
Police discovered a large open bottle of beer in the passenger seat, cold, half full, and undeniable. The women became increasingly agitated, shouting about needing to pee, not being able to breathe, and claiming various personal rights.
Oh, is that where that rental? Because I'm looking, there's a rental. That's where this is.
Oh, it's a fucking rental. Oh my God, it's Sheila's time on. Time on. It's my kid's time on.
I wasn't asking for time off.
My son had a headache.
Okay, I'm
so I
asking
took my son headache. Yeah, in Janie Gardens. Yeah, you got a headache? That's gonna be
Southbound.
what you gonna do? Yeah.
If you don't mind.
Yeah, what you gonna do?
Yeah, what kind of
What you gonna do about that? Yeah, and
What, you gave your son
Shannon.
I'm getting my phone.
Okay.
Hey Shannon, we're gonna try to move this over to
You
the
can
side.
move whatever you gotta do with this side. Alright. You know, fuck about it. I got a lawyer. Hey, listen, Derek Bird, you know Derek Bird? You know Derek Bird? Hey, you know Derek Bird? Derek Bird is my uncle.
You need to get out of my
Derek Bird is my uncle. Yeah, because I'll beat you up. That's why I saw I'll beat your ass on the real streets. Do your ass in, ho. On God. Derek Bird is my uncle, bro. He'll do your ass in. On God. Derek Bird. You know Derek Bird? Oh, do you know Derek Bird? You know Derek Bird? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, listen. Hey, listen. No, I'm good. But listen. Hey, Derek Bird, listen. Yeah, hey, Derek Bird, buy them more, bro. Derek Bird, baby. Alright. I'm going to get this one right here, bro. God. Derek Bird gonna do your ass in, bro. Derek Bird gonna do that in, bro. Derek Bird gonna do that in, bro. Derek Bird. I ain't do nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. And you know that.
You're pretty like intoxicated right now.
I'm not. But Derek Bird, listen, is my uncle like for real?
Huh?
No, listen, Derek Bird is really my uncle, like on some more shit.
Yeah,
Listen, Derek Bird is my uncle, and he really wants.
We're just gonna take a step over
That's fine.
that car over there. Is that her phone?
But you got that shit on my phone, though.
Shannon, chill out.
But she got that shit on my phone.
Chill out.
But she got that shit on my phone. But you would.
Relax. Come on.
But she had my shit on my own phone.
Relax.
But she got that shit on my phone, though.
Shannon, relax.
Damn, knock your ass out, bitch. Damn, bro. Oh, God, bro.
Alright, do you have anything that's gonna stick me and fuck me?
What the fuck you think, ho? This asshole, find it. Find it, ho. Dirty ass bitch. Ain't got shit on ain't no.
Why are you so
I'm not a
upset?
badass girl.
No one said you are.
I'm not bad.
You're upset with us and we don't know why.
I'm not bad.
I got you.
I'm not a bad girl, bro.
Shannon,
we're not saying-
Why you being mean to me?
Nobody's being mean to you.
What the fuck you?
You're being mean to us.
Yeah, this was you just searched me, bro.
Shannon, look at me. Shannon, look at me. Shannon, look at me.
I would never do you.
I appreciate it. Shannon,
I believe you.
Shannon, look at me.
I never do you no wrong.
Shannon.
I'm not a bad girl.
No one said you were, Shannon.
I promise. I don't look at me. Look at me. Like I ain't nothing on you. I'm a fucking bartender, bro. Why were y'all doing me dirty? Why y'all searching me? This lame.
Shannon, can you step in the car, please? Watch your step, okay?
Why would y'all do it like this? You don't know.
You need some. Here, lift this leg up. I'll go on the other side.
Yep, gotcha.
I gotta get my makeup.
There you go. Come on, take a
I'm
sip.
trying.
You're good.
I'm trying, bro.
We're just helping you. We're just helping, okay? That's it. There we go. Alright, Shannon.
Nothing wrong.
Sit up.
Bro, ain't nothing wrong, bro. Ain't nothing wrong.
Alright, Shannon.
Yeah.
McDonald's staff confirmed a baby was tossed into the back of the truck, and witnesses said the child's body folded in half. The infant didn't even cry, leading officers to fear something might be seriously wrong. EMS took the child to a hospital.
How you doing? Hey, were you guys the one who called?
Yeah, I called because I don't know what happened, but I just heard her shouting, and then I heard like beeping, and then there was like an argument, and
Did you guys hear like crash into anything? Or?
that's what I thought I heard. Did she not crash?
It doesn't look like there's any damage to anything. I see stuff in the road over there. I was gonna walk up and go and look at.
She's okay.
Yeah,
I mean,
they
that's
were
all
on the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was two of them, and then it.
Yeah, there's like two purses in there, and apparently the other person left. But as
Yeah.
far as you know, like you didn't see any crash. You just thought you might have
No,
heard something.
I saw that they were stuck in the road, and then there were a couple cars that came by, and so I assumed it was an accident. But I can't really see from over here because of the tree. But I heard her shouting, and then I also heard her beeping, so I was like, I don't know whether she's been
Yeah,
hurt
she's
or
been
what.
doing it for like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go walk down there and go see if I see anything.
I'm
But
gonna drive again.
Yeah.
Yeah, she seems like she's a little drunk.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
thank you.
This case perfectly highlights how irresponsibility by adults can put children in real danger. A fast food visit turned into a scene of screaming, alcohol, and recklessness. It raises the question, is being a parent just about having kids or about protecting them? And for those who keep shouting, I didn't do anything wrong, remember, you don't have to break the law to get arrested. Being wildly irresponsible is enough.
Do you wish to talk to us or make any statements?
Am I allowed to take photos of the...
Take a deep breath. And the next one. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Vacation in Key West, a lovely dinner, a romantic walk, but just hours later, an accident, a DUI test, and a night in jail. And tonight's story isn't just about a crash, it's about how a simple mistake snowballed into a full-blown criminal investigation, all caught on body cam. The twist, it happened on her birthday.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Hey, how are you?
Anybody hurt?
No, we're good. Not at all.
Thank you.
You're good?
Yeah. Everything's good.
Okay, well, I mean, everything's not good. You
Yeah.
ran your car into
Yeah, no,
something.
you're right. Okay.
This car, like, got in the way,
All right,
so...
you guys were both in this car?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know. Was anyone in this car?
No.
We accidentally, like, I guess, trying to pass by and
Babe.
we hit it and we...
Okay, that's all right. All right, just relax. Who's driving? You are? All right, can I get your driver's license and insurance information for the car, please? So you have your ID with you? No, him.
I'm the passenger.
Yeah, I know.
No problem at all. I mean...
Yeah, but you're a passenger that was involved in the crash, so we have to list you on the crash report as being a passenger in the vehicle.
No.
Elizabeth, hi. My name is Officer Andrade with the Key West Police. I'm going to be doing the crash report here. You were driving this car right here. You were coming in this direction, and
It was an accidental flip, you know.
so then what happened as you're driving? What happened?
She basically had too close.
Sir,
I'm talking.
just let her answer. She's capable.
Yeah, this vehicle seemed to be just out of the way.
The vehicle seemed to be out of the way. Okay, and then what happened? You just kind of sideswiped it? Sideswiped into it?
It seemed, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And I understand nobody's hurt, right? How fast do you think you were going?
10 miles an hour.
Approximately.
5 miles.
5 miles an hour? Okay, so you were going down here about 5 miles an hour and you just hit this vehicle here?
Accident.
Sideswipe. Sir.
Yeah.
You want him
Okay.
away?
No, it's fine.
Sorry,
It's
I
fine.
didn't mean to answer.
Well, she already told you that she was talking. Just like let her talk. I just need some information from you. So what I'm going to be doing, like I said, I'm going to be doing a crash report. I'm going to get a number assigned. I'm going to give you an exchange of information form. Basically, what's going to have, it's going to have your car. Is that your car?
It's a rental.
Okay, it's a rental car. So it's going to have that rental car's information on it, the rental car company, and then it's going to have your information on it, and then it's going to have this car that you struck and their information. All right, so they're going to get a copy, you're going to get a copy, and then you can give that report. I'll point out where the number is. You give that report to the rental car company and your insurance company if you want, and then they'll know what to do with that. Okay.
I'm good. I'm Officer Adorno. You guys all right, though?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we're good.
Good. You look a little shaken up. You all right?
Yeah, we just clipped it on accident.
Yeah. Where are you guys going? Just to hang out downtown or something like that?
Yeah,
we're
we're
trying
just
to go
going trying to go
Oh,
home.
trying to go home. Okay. I got you. Well, Officer Andrade is going to take care of some information about the accident, and then we'll
Yes, sir.
take it from there. Where are you guys from?
We're from Virginia.
Both of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys like together?
We are. We're married.
Married. There you go. This is your first time in Key West?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. You guys came in an interesting week.
It's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So this is the crash number I was telling you about. Okay. So suicide number. This is your vehicle information here. It says binder because they're a big company, Hertz. They have like a big like policy. It's different than just like regular insurance. You'll see here. This is that vehicle there. This is it belongs to a person, so they have regular insurance. Policy. So your information is down here as the driver.
Right.
Okay. So this is the number that you want to give to your insurance if you decide to call your insurance, to the purpose as well. want to give them.
Yeah, take a picture or something.
Well, he's gonna give it to me.
Yeah, this is great. This is great. Do you have any questions?
Thank you.
No.
Yeah, no, thank you. Appreciate your help.
No? Okay. So, listen, Elizabeth, so that concludes my crash investigation. Crash investigation is now over. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
I'm gonna, Elizabeth, before you take off, I'm gonna borrow you over here on this side really quick. I just need to talk to you for a little bit more. You could stay here.
Yes, sir.
All right?
No
Elizabeth, if you want to follow me, please.
Am I allowed to take photos of the vehicle?
Well, yeah, you can get to it right after. Yeah, you can get to it right after. I'm just gonna talk to you about something over here. If you want to come this way. All right, Elizabeth. So, like Officer Andrade mentioned, the crash investigation, he completed that portion of it, okay? So now I'm going to go into my portion. I'm Officer Dorn with QS Police Department, and I'm going to begin a driving under the influence investigation, okay, a DUI investigation. All right, before that starts, I'm going to have to read you something, okay? Like I said, this doesn't mean you're going to jail or anything like that. This just means I have to read you this, just because one is part of my job, and I'm going to be asking you questions if it gets to that point, okay? Certain questions, all right? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Mm-hmm. Okay. Have you asked any law enforcement officer to speak to another attorney? No? Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us or make any statements?
Sorry, what was that?
So having these rights in mind, the ones that I explained to you, are you willing to talk to us?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right. So to begin with, you mind stepping that way a little bit more, boss? Yeah, just walk into the other side of the car. Thank you, brother. All right, so where are you coming from right now?
We went to dinner.
Okay, where was dinner at?
Yep.
Further down that way.
That's why you're not familiar. Do you remember the name of the restaurant?
I don't. I'm sorry.
No worries, no worries. All right. How long ago were you guys at dinner? You just coming from there? Or did you eat dinner and drove around, or?
Yeah. I would say about an hour from the time that we had dinner. We had parked and then walked around. So.
Okay. All right. Did you have anything to drink at dinner or anything like that? Like any alcoholic beverages?
Yeah, but it was a long time ago, so.
A long time ago. Okay, what's a long time ago? Like, if you could
maybe
guess.
An hour.
Maybe an hour? Okay, but that was at dinner, correct? Okay, what did you have to drink? What did you have to drink?
I had a champagne.
Champagne, okay. Just one glass or?
Yeah, one glass.
One glass, okay. Do you know what type of champagne, maybe? No. Okay, no worries. All right, so one glass of champagne at dinner. And then after dinner, what happened after that? Did you guys just drive around some more? Or?
We just kind of walked around.
Okay. Walked around. Okay, for how long did you walk around for?
About an hour.
About an hour until you got back to your vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, where was your vehicle parked? Like, where did you walk to?
It was in the same area.
In the same area?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What was I going to say? What time do you think it is right now? If you could guess.
What time it is?
Yeah. If you could guess, what time do you think it is?
Almost midnight.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. So I'm gonna read you something else. All right. I want you to listen. Okay. So, are you willing to submit to field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you are under the influence of alcoholic beverages or chemical or controlled substances to the extent that your normal faculties are impaired?
Am I willing to?
Right. Are you willing to submit to the field sobriety exercises so that you could?
Yeah.
You are? Okay. Perfect. All right. Are you sick or injured or anything like that?
No.
All right. Are you diabetic?
No.
Epileptic or anything like that?
No. I do have ADHD.
Okay. All right. Any inner ear problems?
No.
Here, watch your step. I don't want you to fall over the curb. We can move over this way a little bit. Yeah. All right. Any issues with mobility or anything like that? No. All right. All right. So it's 3 exercises. I'm gonna walk you through them as well. Okay. So the first one that's gonna happen is I'm gonna check your eyes. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to stand with your feet together like this. All right, and then I'm gonna have your hands to your side. All right, so you're gonna stay in this position, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to look at the tip of my pen. All right, I want you to follow the pen with your eyes only, okay? Try not to move your head or anything like that, okay? You understand? All right, just keep looking at it for me, all right? All right, so the next exercise we're gonna do is gonna be, it's called the walk and turn. All right, so what I'm gonna have you do, all right, we could use this. All right, so what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you stand over here for me. Just walk this way, please. All right, be careful. All right.
Right here?
No, I'm gonna have you here, and you're just gonna face me on this side. Stand over here. All right, turn around and face me. All right, so because there's no line, we're gonna use an imaginary line. Okay. Do you see any debris or anything like that in the middle of the street? No debris?
There's that
weird stick? All right, let's kick that out the way. There you go. All right. Any other debris you see? It's clear debris, right?
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm gonna have you do, all right, is I'm gonna have you get into the starting position, okay? But I don't want you to begin until I finish the instructions, all right? So the starting position is I'm gonna have you put your left foot on the imaginary line, all right? And then I'm gonna have you bring your right foot in front of the left foot, heel to toe touching. All right, you're gonna stay in this position until I finish the instructions. Also, I'm gonna have you bring your arms to your side. All right, and you're gonna stay in this position. Understand? Until I tell you to begin the exercise. All right, so what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you take 9 heel to toe steps. All right, so it's gonna look something like this. All right, you're gonna look down at your feet and you're gonna count out to 9. So 1, 2, 3, so on until you hit your 9th step. All right, on your 9th step, you're gonna take a series of small steps, keeping your left foot on the line and bringing your right foot back onto the line. All right, once you're here in this position again, you're gonna walk 9 several steps back, counting out loud, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on until you feel like you've finished. All right, so
okay.
I'm gonna have you back in the starting position, don't worry. Yep, good? All right, try to have your heel touching your toe, okay? There you go. All right. Just like I demonstrated, okay? Do you have any other questions or anything about it? No? All right, have your heel back in front of your, there you go, in front of your toe. All right, you may begin the exercise. Yep. All right, good. All right, now the third exercise is the one-legged stand. All right, one-leg stand. All right, so what I'm gonna have you do, all right, just like before, I'm gonna have you get into a beginning position. Okay, I'm gonna have your feet together, just like this, with your hands to your side. All right, when I tell you to begin, all right, I'm gonna have you raise one leg, either leg you want, left or right, approximately 6 inches off the ground. All right, so about the size of a soda can. All right, while either leg is up, you're gonna count out 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on.
I'm gonna count?
Yes, ma'am. You're gonna count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. Okay? Until I tell you to stop. Okay. Yeah. So just keep counting out 1001, 1002 until I tell you to stop. If your leg at any point touches the ground, all right, you could just pick it up and continue where you left off. All right, do you understand these instructions? All right, just give me 1 second and I'll let you know when you can start. Oh, I did it in front of her. It's gonna look like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on until I tell you to stop. All right?
Yeah.
You did miss that. It's all good. All right, so just give me a sec. All right? You may begin the exercise.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. 7, 1009, 1010, 11, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017.
Okay. All right, you may stop. All right, for the last one, I'm gonna have you turn around, just face the vehicle, and just bring your arms behind your back. Watch it. Yeah. All right. Give me 1 second. Make sure nothing's there. You should be fine. All right, go ahead and step in.
Will you provide me a sample of your alcohol content?
Yes.
Okay. So like I said, we're just going to stay here for 20 minutes. Once that 20 minutes is up, we're going to go into that room, provide the sample. Just don't touch your mouth, anything like that, okay?
Okay. Just want to ask, sorry.
You're fine.
Just want to make sure, for legal things, how does that work? Like, what do I need to ask, like, as far as that? Because you guys have already arrested me and all that.
Right.
So what is your question?
Rights? What are my rights?
So right now you have rights, but you're not privy to a lawyer at this point in time because driving is a privilege, it's not a right, if that makes sense. So after the fact, we'll read you your Miranda rights, and then at that point you can decide if you want to talk to us or not. Does that make sense to you?
So
at this point in time, we're not asking you any incriminating questions. We're asking you all if you're going to provide me a sample of your breath deterrence alcohol content. That's all it is right now. After the fact, if we want to talk to you, we'll read you your Miranda rights because we're going to ask you questions that could possibly be self-incriminating. But at this point in time, it's nothing self-incriminating. It's me asking if you want to provide me a sample of your breath deterrence alcohol content.
Okay. Gotcha. Alright. And today's my birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. You'll have better ones, I promise. I promise. It was just, a mistake today, and then that's it. You'll have better ones.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's a cool birthday story, but it's a story you can tell. You can definitely tell.
I don't know if I want to tell about it.
Is this your first time getting arrested or not? So I guess not.
Anyway, so can I ask a question?
Of course.
How long will you say this will take? Because we are supposed to leave tomorrow.
So I told your husband, you're gonna see a judge in the morning, like 9 in the morning, maybe possibly. You're gonna see a judge early in the morning.
The deputies can explain that process.
Yeah, that's all we know. The deputies, the people that are gonna come book you in, they have more information about that. But your flight's at 6, right? 6 p.m.
I believe so. I don't know whatever he told you, but yeah, it's later. It's not like in the morning or anything. I don't know exactly the time.
You should be out by then, hopefully. But like I said, deputies are gonna have more information on that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So it'll be in the morning. The judge usually comes in.
You'll see a judge.
I'll see a judge, and then I'll have to come back.
Well, you can have a lawyer represent.
What was that?
You can have a lawyer represent you. You don't necessarily have to come back unless you go to trial. That's like the only time you'd actually have to be here.
I'll have a lawyer that'll be able to represent me?
Right. So, I mean, you're going to have to get a lawyer no matter what, whether one's appointed to you or you pay for your own. But you live in Virginia, correct?
Yeah.
So that lawyer can represent you here, so you don't have to travel back and forth for all your court hearings.
Okay.
Right. So,
but like, if you were to go to trial, since you are accused of this, you would have to be in front of the judge for your trial. But that'd be probably the one time that you would actually have to be here.
Okay.
If it goes that far.
If it goes that far. So are you guys visiting for your birthday?
Yeah. Yeah.
You can still have some fun tomorrow, kinda.
Kinda? Really?
Kinda.
You really think so? What time do you think I'll be able to get out of here?
I wish I knew so I could tell you, to be honest. It's definitely going to be before your flight. But, I know, right? I don't know, to be honest. You're going to get early, and then whether the judge wants to give you a bail or not, which, I mean, if you don't have any crazy criminal history, then you should you should just be released. And then you have to come back. So the second portion of
So
this,
I do have to come back.
you don't have to come back, but if you have a lawyer that's representing you, all right, if you can afford one, then obviously you're going to get one anyways. And then he could represent you in court so that you don't have to come down. And then if it ever goes to trial, which, I mean, if it ever gets there, then you have to come back. But you don't have to come back anytime in the near future. Where's your husband from?
Armenia?
Armenia. I was looking at the
His last name?
Yeah. How do you even pronounce it?
Which is why I didn't change my last name.
Wow.
No. Yeah.
It's a unique one.
Yeah.
Alright, so sit right there, okay? Let's walk on the spider web. Alright, so what's going to happen is we're going to open this up. There's two pieces to the mouthpiece. You wrap your lips around it, creating a seal. Don't block it with your tongue. You're going to take a deep breath, you're going to exhale. So if you hear the machine making a constant beeping noise, you're doing it correct. If it's not making a noise at all, you're doing something wrong. I'll be here coaching you along the way. It doesn't take that long. As long as you give it a deep, steady breath, you should be okay.
Can I don't understand. Can I refuse, or how does this all work?
If you refuse, I'll read this to you.
I don't understand.
Alright. So, I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for purposes of determining its alcohol content. I am also Thornton with the QS Police Department. If you fail to submit to the test I have requested of you, your privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended for a period of 1 year for first time refusal, or 18 months if your privilege has been previously suspended as a result of a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, you are below. Additionally, if you refuse to submit to the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for a prior refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, you are below. You'll be committing a misdemeanor. Refusal to submit to the test I have requested of you is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I just read to you?
Yes.
You don't sound sure. So do you understand? If not, I can explain it to you.
You can explain.
So if you refuse, your license is going to be suspended right here and now, okay? You can try to get it back with your lawyer. There's a whole process that he can advise you of. If you previously refused before, you've been arrested for a DUI before?
No.
Okay. So if you refused before, then it'd be suspended for 18 months. That's basically all it's saying.
Okay.
And if you've refused before, then you can be charged with a misdemeanor right now for that. Or a later time if they find out that you have.
Gotcha. Okay.
So you understand all that?
Yeah.
Do you want to refuse? Or do you want to provide the sample?
If I refuse, then what happens? Like,
I mean, you're still being arrested no matter what.
I'm already here.
Right. And if you're not under the influence, this is the opportunity to prove that to us.
Okay. And then, if I were to refuse, and then what happens?
No, it's the same process. You're still going to be here until the morning.
Okay.
Your license is just going to be suspended.
Gotcha. Until when?
For a period of 1 year.
Until 1 year, until what?
Well, 1 year from today. So next year, November or October 21st. 21st, right?
That's what happens?
That's what I just read to you.
Oh, wow.
And then you get another charge.
If she refused before. So it's up to you. You understand what I read to you? It's up to you if you want to refuse or not. I can't advise you either way.
Interesting. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I was just trying to get it all.
So do you want to refuse or do you want to provide the sample?
I'll provide
Okay.
Sorry, I was trying to get it all.
Alright. Take a deep breath and then exhale. Long and steady.
I breathe in?
Yep, and then exhale. Well, you got a little bit harder than that.
Sorry.
Just deep. Deep and strong. Keep going. Keep. Alright. So remember, if you hear that steadily going, you're doing it right. So if it just beeps and shuts off, it means it's not registering anything. So deep, strong breath, alright? If you just blow out for like 10 consecutive seconds, it'll go through.
Okay, so I take a deep breath and then breathe.
Yep. Yeah, it's not picking up. It's a deep, heavy breath. I've had do this before, I promise. Nope. It's not picking up.
Sorry.
It's alright. So, I'm gonna try that again. Like I said, deep breath, fill your lungs up, and just exhale. Just let it all out. Alright, deep breath and exhale. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Take another deep breath and then exhale, okay? Because it's not registering right now. Yep.
No?
Take a deep breath and then exhale. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Take another deep breath. As long as you do it long, consistent, like I said, 10 seconds, you're fine. If you do it like really deep and really fast, like 10 seconds, it'll pick it up. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop picking it up.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. Let's try again. Deep breath. It's not picking it up. It's not picking it up. Deep breath.
It's like a balloon.
Like a balloon?
Yep, as hard as you can. Keep going, keep going. Oh. It's not picking it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. It's not picking it up. Keep going, keep going. If you hear that noise, it's collecting it. It's not collecting it right now. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, just like that. No. Take
No?
No. It's gotta be consistent. That was better than the previous attempt.
Okay.
No. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop picking it up. Remember, if you hear the audible tone, it means it's collecting it.
I'm hearing it.
Yeah, but it stops. So as soon as it stops, it's not collecting. It's going to be consistent.
I gotcha.
Keep going. It's not picking it up.
No?
No.
What am I doing wrong?
Deep breath.
Okay.
Like I said, if you just release it for 5 to 10 consecutive seconds strong, it'll pick it up.
Sorry.
You're fine. Alright, so we're going to have to do this all again from the beginning, okay? I'm just going to be up front and blunt with you. If I don't get it on the first attempt, I'm just going to mark you as a refusal. Okay?
You have to mark me as a refusal?
Correct. Like I said, I've had 80-year-olds provide me breath samples. Just deep breath and exhale. That's all you get to do. Rapid sessions. Long and constant. No register. But we just can't sit here all night attempting for you to provide a sample. Deep breath. And then exhale. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Deep breath and exhale again. Keep going. Not picking up. Just remove it from your mouth. Deep breath. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Keep going, keep going. Alright. Alright.
Yeah?
Yep. We're just gonna do that one more time.
Got it.
You got it?
Yes, one more time. One more time and you're done.
Just like last time, okay? Deep breath and exhale. It's not picking it up. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Take a deep breath. Keep Just remove your mouth. Remove it. Take a deep breath through your mouth and then exhale. It's harder the longer you keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop picking it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're almost there. Yep. Keep going, keep going. Remove it. Deep breath through your mouth. Remove it from your mouth. Deep breath.
Sorry.
You're fine. I don't want you to pass out. Keep going, keep going, keep. Stop picking it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop picking it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop picking it up. No. Remember, if you hear the audible tone long and consistent, it means it's registering. As soon as it stops, it's not picking anything up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Nothing. Keep going, keep going. Deep breath. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Consistent, remember, consistent.
I'm like trying over here.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. One second?
No.
That was good for me. Recuperate. Just take a second.
Sorry,
You're
I'm
fine.
trying.
Just take a second. And whenever you're ready. Long and consistent. Stop picking it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. He's gonna give us one more chance. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna try that one more time. And like I said, if we can't get it, I'm just gonna have to work these other people down. You've already proven you can do it that one time. Just long and consistent. Yeah, as hard as you can for as long as you can. Alright, deep breath, long and consistent exhale, as hard as you can for. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop beating it up.
It's not?
No. Remember the audible tone. If you hear the audible tone, stop beating it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop beating it up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Make sure your tongue's not blocking, make sure your lips aren't blocking it. Just as deep as you can, just let loose. Like you're screaming at your husband. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's not going through.
Oh my gosh. I'm pushing.
Okay. Just like you did the first time. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. It's not going through.
Nothing?
No.
Okay.
Deep breath and exhale, like I said. Just like you did the first time. It was perfect the first time. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's not registering. Deep breath, fill up your lungs as much as you can. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep sets. You gotta do it as consistent as you can.
I'm going though. Like, I don't know what to do.
Alright, so this is the last chance I'm gonna give you, alright?
Push hard. Come on. Harder. Keep going. Keep pushing hard.
Keep going.
Keep going. Harder. There you go. Keep going.
I'm really trying. Okay.
So I'm just gonna mark you as refusal, alright?
So then what happens?
Well, I explained it to you, but you're gonna sit out there with this officer and I'll try to explain everything to you in a second.
But all of the attempts will be documented?
It's all documented. It's all documented on camera too.
Okay. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm like pushing hard. I don't know what to do.
Just go and sit out there with Officer Donner, okay?
Alright, so this here is a driving under the influence citation. Alright? So it comes with a court date like we talked earlier, okay? Your court date is right in this section here. You're gonna get a copy of this in your property as well, alright? So your court date is October 31st, 2024 at 9 a.m. here at the Key West Courthouse, alright? Like we mentioned earlier, if you're able to get an attorney, the attorney could be the one to come in and represent you, okay? You don't physically have to be here for that portion, alright?
Yeah.
So what I need you to do is I need you to sign this citation. It's not an admission of guilt, okay? This doesn't, just because you signed this doesn't mean you're guilty of what we're charging you with, okay?
Right.
What's the signature just means that you received a copy of the citation and that you're aware of the court date, alright?
Okay.
Alright, so just need you to sign where this X is here. Like I said, it doesn't mean you're guilty, it just means that you received a copy of that. Alright? This is going to go into your property as well. So you'll have a copy of that when you get out tomorrow, okay? Alright, Elizabeth, I'm going to go ahead and send you over to the deputies now. Alright? Just give me 1 second.
This is one of those cases that starts with a minor mistake, a slight misjudgment behind the wheel, and turns into a night behind bars. But what makes it compelling isn't just the law, it's the human factor. It was her birthday. She was polite, not combative. She tried and tried and tried, but couldn't complete the test. Still, intent doesn't erase the result. In the eyes of the law, failure to complete a breath test equals a refusal, and in Florida, that carries real consequences. Don't drink and drive, even just one glass, because even if you think you're okay, the law has a much stricter threshold, and your birthday, that won't be a free pass.
Can you go back to your car?
Yes, sir.
Imagine getting an Uber ride home after a night out, only to be kicked out, accused of trying to steal the car, and ultimately ending up in handcuffs. Tonight's breakdown takes us to a bizarre and heated incident where alcohol, poor judgment, and one bad decision spiraled into a criminal charge. All caught on body cam. This isn't just a story about drunk behavior, it's a case study in how quickly things can turn when emotions, misunderstanding, and intoxication collide.
Okay, what's going on? Why y'all
I
yelling?
tried to add a stop when
Okay.
we were coming back from knocking these bars of Culver's. I just wanted an ice cream.
Okay.
And he pulls over right here and tells us we have to get out because he doesn't feel safe. I'm like, what the fuck do you mean? Like, I have a fucking 4.9 star rating on Uber. What do you mean you don't feel safe? I've never in my life. I live like 2 miles up the road on Pine Tree. And you have to get out of here. So I'm like, okay, we have to get out. And like, well, give us our stuff. And then they won't unlock the door so we can get the rest of our bags out of his car.
Okay. Did he cancel the ride on you?
I have no idea what he did.
Do you have your phone on you?
Yeah, it's
See if he canceled it.
Or like, this is crazy. Like, all I tried to do
She
was
literally
add a
lives
stop.
up the street.
Yeah, I got you.
Literally.
I got you.
And I'm like, this is insane. He doesn't feel safe. I'm like,
We're just trying to ride home safe. I don't know what.
Hi, what's going on?
I am Uber driver. I am not full English, but I can translate.
Yeah, you're fine. Did Uber, right?
Yeah.
Did you cancel their ride?
No, until now, no.
Okay.
This is named Julie. This is the ride.
Okay.
The trip, 1 minute from here. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. A minute. I can translate. Is she more drunk? This first time. Okay. This is she more drunk, and
She's drunk, she wanted to go somewhere else, you didn't want her to do that, you just wanted to end the ride, right?
yeah.
Why are they going to steal your car?
Because I stopped my car and I want to call Uber and I call police and I go out and he opened this door and stay here and I push my car because he cannot turn in the car without remote. And I close, and he told me, "I fuck you," and everything is bad words from me.
Okay.
You know?
Do you have the video?
Yeah.
Can I see the video?
Yeah.
And which one was it that got in your car and tried to take it?
So,
which one? The blonde or the other one?
The fat one.
Okay. Yeah. Can you go ahead and see if you can pull up that video for me?
Of course.
That ain't mine. Can't have that.
Right! But apparently not though, because like now he like pulled us the guy. He's like, get out of my car. I don't feel safe with you in here. Like what? Like, trust me, we're not gonna do anything.
Is it inside here? Do you mind if I go look for your ID?
She's not attractive. We get one.
Did you get hers?
Not yet.
Oh my god. You gotta love it.
I'm watching the video right now. This might be an attempted burglary. Attempted auto theft. Yeah, thanks. Let's see why she got into the driver's seat. So, yep, she got in the driver's seat.
You need you know why I call him police? Because
Because
you
of
need
that. Yeah, I
lost my job. This is my job.
No, I got you. Now here's the thing.
You see
you're
everything.
absolutely right. She opened the car door, she got inside the driver's seat, and then you went in and you shut it off. Now I'm gonna do a investigation on that. Do you want to pursue criminal charges?
I am not full English. I can call my wife translate.
Do you want her to go to jail for that?
Yes, because you know why? Because this bad.
I got you.
You see, is it here?
Yeah, I saw.
This is my car. This is my. It's fine.
Right there. Can I have you come back over here? Just gotta talk to you. Do you want to like take a seat?
Whatever you want to do.
You're good. Are you okay? Okay, we're gonna. I'll just have you take a seat.
Whatever you want me to do.
Just try to take a seat right there. I just don't want you to fall, okay?
No, you're fine.
So.
I know.
Here's the thing.
I know.
I got it. Okay, what's your first name?
Chantal.
Chantal. Okay, so here's the issue.
I know.
You got inside the car. You got back inside the car in the driver's
Do what
seat.
you need to do. Literally.
So, I want to ask you questions about that. Okay, I am going to read you your Miranda rights. Does not mean you're going to jail. Okay, it just means that you're not free to go, and I have to ask you some questions on why you did that. Okay, does that make sense?
Keep talking.
Okay. So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present with you prior to, during, or after any question. If you have to afford an attorney and desire one, the court will appoint one for you. You may decide to stop the questioning at any time by refusing to answer questions further or by requesting to consult with your attorney. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Alright, having these rights tonight, you're going to tell me why you went into the front seat of that car?
I'm just fine with whatever you guys need to do. Honestly, it is what it is. It's life.
I'm not looking at a DUI. I'm not
driving.
Exactly. But why?
I'm trying to be safe. My friends who are around me are fucking crazy.
Gotcha. Why did you get out of the car and then go back into the car but in the driver's seat?
Because it was what's supposed to get me where I'm supposed to be, and I was trying to make a smart decision on getting home okay.
So your plan was to drive this car back to the house?
No, I'm not trying to drive anything anywhere.
So why would you then get into the driver's seat of the guy's car?
I wasn't in the driver's seat. I was in the passenger seat.
No, you were in the driver's seat.
I was not driving anybody.
There's a dash cam vid. No, you weren't driving. You did not drive, but you did get into the driver's seat of the car.
Okay.
And then the driver had to go in and shut off the car.
I would like to see that, actually.
So, why did you do that?
Because I am a fucking person who just wants to be fucking just electrify me, I guess. I just want to get home and I want to be safe.
Okay.
And
I
just
understand
want to
that.
go home.
I just need like a legitimate reason why you went inside that guy's car.
I didn't do anything with that. I just figured he was going to get us home.
How could he get you home if you're in the driver's seat?
Because I wasn't driving. I didn't drive anything.
But Chantel, why were you in the driver's seat?
I didn't drive anything.
No, you didn't drive.
I didn't drive anything, and you know this.
I know.
You know this. I did not drive anything, and I never would.
Nope. You did not drive.
No, and I never would, and you're never going to put me in that position.
None of us are saying that you were driving the car. Okay? That's not what I'm saying.
Okay.
You were in the driver's seat. After you got out, you had a conversation with
my friend was having an altercation with the person who was driving the car.
Okay.
I didn't drive anything. I didn't drive anybody's car.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. I didn't make any decisions. I let y'all pull us over. I did not do anything wrong.
So what
period.
compelled you to go inside his car, into the driver's seat?
Because I thought he was going to get us home okay. I wanted to go home.
So you...
I just wanted,
to go home.
That's... I just wanted to go home.
Okay. But why did you go into the driver's seat?
I did not go into the driver's seat.
Chantel, there's a video.
I did not go in. Yeah, sure. That's great. Did I drive it? Did I...
All I need to know is why you got into the driver's seat. That's
I
it.
did not. I did not.
Okay.
I just wanted to get home.
So after you got out of the car, where did you go?
Home. Like we're here right now. I did not go very far, obviously.
So when you got out of the car, the first time, right? You got out of the car one time with your friend, right? Yes? You and your friend got out, then your driver got out the car, right?
Continue.
I mean, is that what you remember?
We did not drive. We were walking down the road. Nobody drove anything. Nobody drove fucking anything.
Nobody's saying...
Nobody fucking drove anything. Literally, nobody drove fucking anything.
Chantel, I'm not saying you were driving.
I did not fucking drive anything.
No, you did not drive.
Okay, thank you.
What I'm asking is why you were in the driver's seat.
I was not in anybody's driver's seat. Show me that. Can I see it? Please show me. Show me that I was in somebody's driver's seat. I would like to see that. I was not in anybody's driver's seat. Listen, you're not going to pinpoint anything fucking on me.
Okay, you can step
I walked my ass over here. I have no shoes on because I walked with my bare fucking feet.
Okay.
I'd rather walk home. Oh, I can get back out? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Because I didn't do fucking anything wrong. I didn't drive a car. I didn't go anywhere.
Okay, nobody said you drove a car. Nobody's saying you were driving a car. I never said you were driving a car. Here, just put your stuff in there so you can get out safely. I just don't want you to fall, okay? That's it. That's it. Just put your stuff in there and come step out.
I don't trust anything you fucking say, dude.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. And you said this is all recorded, right? Okay, good. I can't wait.
Be careful, don't fall. Just stay there for a second. We're talking to your friend. Just stay there for a second.
Yeah, she was like, we got a fucking Uber ride home, and this is where we're at right now.
So
we were trying to be responsible.
Okay. So
we were trying to have a good weekend, and now this is where we're at.
Just let me.
What the
just let me-
fuck is
let-
this?
Would you be okay if I had the fire department come out here and just make sure you're okay to walk home?
Yeah, that's fucking fine.
Do you want to stay? You want to stay sitting in the car?
Yes.
Okay. Just.
I'm
I just gotta
yes.
ask.
Give me a break.
I gotta ask this question. Do you have any weapons in the purse?
No, I have pepper spray.
Okay. Do you mind if I have the person put it up
Yeah,
here?
you can do whatever you want with it. This is like what I have. I don't even have a gun. I don't know how to
You're
use a
good.
gun.
You said you have pepper spray in here? You
Yes.
Don't have, I obviously see. You're not wearing like anything with any pockets or anything.
This
like
is
that.
what I have.
Do you want to keep that with you?
I mean, this is my fucking phone.
Yeah. Do you want to keep it with you in the back?
If you want to.
No. If you
can
want
take it if you want to. I don't mind.
Just put it in here. I'm gonna put it in the front seat. Okay.
All right. Wonderful.
Okay. So watch your foot. Just watch your foot, because I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna turn on the air. Okay.
Take me wherever you need to.
I'm not taking you nowhere. Because she has a hard time standing up and for her safety, she's not in handcuffs. I'm gonna turn on the air. I'm at the fire department. I got you. I understand. However, I'm not legally allowed to let her go and walk off in the condition she's in. So I have the fire department come in and come check her out. Because like you're able to like stand up and do everything. She like is kind of falling over. I just want to make sure she's okay.
Just trying to take an Uber and get ice cream and go home. I want to know.
Do you mind just grabbing a statement from him?
Yeah,
It might be hard because he's not really fluent in English. Just as even if he has to do it.
We'll do our best. You have an audio.
I do.
Just hold it for a second. Right there.
This officer is going to get with you on a statement.
Yeah.
So I saw the video. I don't think she had the intent to take your car. I think she's just drunk and dumb.
Yes, so drunk.
So I'm going to take her to jail for disorderly intoxication, so she can go and deal with it. I talked to her.
I am right, yeah?
Yeah, no, you're
Because we're comfortable and safe.
Regardless, this charge is a state charge. It's not a victim, like you're the victim of it. I just think that kind of gets better. But I would just like.
Can you give me some report or anything?
Yeah, I'm going to give you a case card. So just do me a favor, get with this officer. And can you do a community request for that video? Julie?
Yes.
Right. Do you have all the property?
I do.
Okay.
It's all right there.
Okay. Like I said, you're not in a condition. Yes, you're intoxicated, but if you don't have to stay here. If you want to go back home, and we'll take care of her.
So obviously we're taking a report, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get it.
Oh, let me go. I'll pull it for you. All right, cool.
What did she do?
Well, so here's the thing. I'm just letting you know this right now. You're not in trouble. Your friend pretty much tried to steal a car tonight.
She what?
She tried to steal a car.
How?
Listen, I just want to let you know. She's not wanting to pursue charges on that. But here's the thing. We're taking care of her. Okay?
That is not true though. Like
it's on video. It's on video.
Where is this video? Because I was in the backseat with her. She was flirting with him, and like he was flirting back. Like
everything's captured on video. Okay, so I'm just trying to be honest with you. I know this is a sucky situation.
This is crazy.
However, you're not in trouble. You're not going anywhere. She needs to get evaluated by the fire department because I'm pretty sure she's had a lot to drink. Okay.
She had about the same amount as me though. Like,
well, she doesn't handle it as well as you do. Okay. So she's probably gonna get taken to the hospital because of what's going on.
She did not try to steal his car though. That's crazy. Like
Why was she in the driver's seat?
Because he was like, I mean, I didn't really pay attention. Okay. I was on my phone.
So there's some things that you didn't see that was captured on camera.
I wasn't really paying attention, but like they were flirting. I don't know. And then all of a sudden we got to here and he got crazy. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Like all I asked you to do was to add a stop to go to Culver's, and I couldn't figure out how to do it right away. So I don't know if that pissed him off or what happened. But like
I said, at least for her, she is in a position to where I cannot let her go on her own accord at this point. Okay. Because here's the thing: if she walks out into traffic, guess who's getting in trouble? This guy.
Right.
Guess who gets fired? Guess who gets charged with criminal negligence of their job? This guy.
Does she know what's going on?
Yeah, she already told the fire department's coming and they're going to go take her. So. But I can't take that risk. Like I said, at least you're like you're swaying and doing all that stuff, but you're not falling over like she was.
She did not try to steal this man's car. Like, that did not happen. They may have been flirting. She may have, like, hopped on his lap.
Like I said, I'm not charging her with that. I'm not
but
charging her with
they
that.
were trying to theft of the vehicle.
That's what he was trying.
Crazy.
That's what he thought. But no, I'm not. I don't see that. I spoke to her. Has not a good reason for it, but.
Yeah, like, cause that's just crazy. Like, I was paying for the Uber ride. Like, we were going him. No one needed to steal his fucking vehicle. Like, he's fucking crazy. Like, this is crazy.
Well, do you have anything else that you need to get from him?
I do not.
Okay. Yeah, we did.
Like, she's not that fucked up. Like, we're all on boats drinking, like, fucking vodka and seltzer water. Like, and then we went to a fucking restaurant and ate. And then we went to, like, Knocking Boots. Like, we're not, like, I mean, that's why we called an Uber, so we wouldn't have these problems.
No,
like, this is crazy.
Like I said, I commend you guys for getting an Uber. But the issue is when you're now getting kicked out of the Uber for whatever reason, because he has every right to kick you out.
I've never in my life been kicked out of an Uber, first of all. Like,
She's on this side.
He is tripping.
She's over here.
I can tell you right now, his like.
Just do me a favor. Let them do what they have to do. Okay. Indox eval on this lady here.
That's good 47.
I'm not sure what y'all's rules are.
No, it's
all that stuff.
Hey, sorry, I was just trying to coordinate, trying to get the fire unit canceled and available. What's up, boss? ETOH?
Yep, just trying to see what she's falling over. Which is why I called you guys out here.
So, was this a vehicle or?
This is a disturbance. They were Uber passengers. They were outside. She got in the guy's driver's seat. So if she does not medically need to go to the hospital for whatever reasons, then I'm going to take her.
Cool. Okay.
She's in the back. She's not in handcuffs yet.
Well, here's the thing. If she can't stand and walk, you bring her to jail. You know what I'm going to do?
I know.
So.
I know. So if she has to go, then that's perfectly fine.
Yeah, then we'll let her sober up there.
Not. Kind of, but not really. Not yet. Like it's if it turns out that she cannot, or that you guys can, if she's refusal and you guys are like, okay, we're good, we have nothing else to do, then I have.
Can you still catch a charge even after that, though?
Disorderly intoxication. That's what I'm working with. Is disorderly intoxication.
Gotcha. Cool. So okay.
She's right here. Hi, dear.
Hi. Hi there.
Hi.
What's going on tonight?
I promise you.
Alright. So like I explained earlier, let them do their job. Let them do whatever they have to do. Do not interfere with what they have to do.
In case you be released to me, possibly, like, because I live a block up the street. This is crazy.
Okay.
We're trying to be responsible taking Uber. Like, this is insane to me. Like, we're not driving. We're not doing these things.
Do you have to see on my stretcher here? A little lower.
No, I don't need to.
Well, I know, but
right.
that's on my monitor, so I can take your vitals and stuff down. Have a seat, Florida.
This is so crazy.
Do you have any mental problems? Or have you just been drinking today?
I've been drinking.
Just do me a favor. Can you just stand back over there by the property, please?
I don't know. I haven't actually checked that out. So you guys might be able to tell me that tonight.
Well, I'm gonna check your blood. I'm gonna check your blood sugar as a due diligence type of deal.
Just over there is fine.
However, mentally, we are fully A and L times 4. She did walk over to my stretcher to be okay. She was humble, but
yeah.
Okay. So let me just run the sugar.
Yep.
The sugar's kosher. I'm gonna get one more set of vitals. I'm gonna get a refusal for her. And
sounds good. Sounds good.
Cool. And other young lady is Is there a driver over there, or is she the
Yeah,
driver?
no. It's an Uber driver. They were passengers. She's intoxicated too, but she's like, she's not. She didn't almost fall over like 4 times like she did.
Yeah. Okay, so we're good. And if the jail kicks him out, I'm sorry.
Is she still sitting on the stretcher?
For now.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll hook her on the stretcher and then we'll put her in my car.
Cool. That's fine. Yeah.
We'll like actually place her in custody on the stretcher.
Yeah. No. What I'll do. I have her swing her feet, which is how you get off. You should be able to go right behind her and do what you need to do.
All right.
Cool.
Just trying to mitigate.
Let me get my signature first.
Yep. Go get your signature. Okay. Game plan?
Why was it reopened?
Because they left the car, but then
But
they
then they came back.
Did you free all of our stuff? Yep. Okay, do me a favor. Just swing your legs so that you sit facing this way on the stretcher. Sit up nice and tall for me, and place your hands behind your back for me. Okay.
So just to let you know, you're being placed in custody for disorderly intoxication for your actions inside of the Uber tonight. Okay. I'm not charging you with the attempted theft of a motor vehicle, even though you did go inside the car. I don't think that you actually had the intentions of trying to steal the car, but you did get inside of the car after being told to get out. So unfortunately, you're going to have to go to jail for that. It's a misdemeanor, okay? You can, once you sober up, you can get out of jail. All right? Do you understand?
Do whatever you want. It's fine. All right.
Just take a seat, or stand up.
Yep, that's fine.
Then just come over
Whatever
here.
you had to do.
And then just face the car. She's going to search you real quick.
Anything on you?
No,
It's gonna hurt me
I
poking
actually have to pee really bad. Okay. So I have to
That's in the car.
No.
It looks like some ball was falling right.
Yep, I saw it.
One in custody.
You're talking about my right bicep, or right tricep? It's the Filipino flag.
This is a
one piece. Yeah. I have twins.
So that's hers.
And they're in
Yes.
And then we're gonna.
18.
Good.
Wow.
Yep, we're good.
I am.
Happy to do business with you.
I
Thank
really
you.
don't.
Good seeing you guys.
I don't fuck up anybody.
You ever been arrested before?
And you're sure I don't need to
Yes.
Are you taking her to the hospital or is she arrested?
Stay over there, ma'am.
I think I have a right to ask a question.
Where are your shoes at? You know? No.
They're right here.
Okay, I just make your shoes. Make sure here. Go this way. I just want to make sure your shoes go with you. Lean forward for me. There, right there.
Just take it off. It's fine. I already feel ashamed enough. I tried to be like the most responsible person here.
I don't know where other shoe is.
Yep, it's underneath the car. All right, dear, just do me a favor. Just take a seat in the car, okay? We're good. Thank you. You just hang out with her. I need to go deal with this.
He's called the police, so we're standing.
Okay, so I just want to let you know that your friend's going to jail tonight. You are free to go. I don't believe that you are at the intoxication point to where I have to take you to the hospital or make you be medically evaluated. So you are free to take your stuff and head back home.
Why is she being arrested?
Because she is way too intoxicated. She did some things she shouldn't have done tonight. That was all captured on video.
Like what?
As I'm not going to get into the case and the investigation with you because you
We
are
were
not
both in the car together.
privy to that information. Just know that she will be going to Dallas County Jail tonight.
We were both in his car together.
So, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, we were both in his car together. I want to know why my friend's being arrested for being in a fucking Uber tonight.
Okay. When she gets her call, she can call you and tell you all about it. Do you have any questions for me?
Miss Julie, the next question. How are you going to get home? Do you
I'm fucking walking. I'm a
Are you
grown-ass
walking?
woman, and I'm
Okay.
fucking walking because clearly taking the Uber isn't safe in this fucking city either.
She does live right around the corner,
Be
which is the only
careful.
reason why. So.
Be careful.
I'll grab them. Okay. Do you have the statement? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Here you go. That's my name. And that's case number assigned. Okay.
What can I do now? Need go to case number or?
Yeah, just call Uber or whoever if you have like a point of contact, just call Uber, give them that case number.
Next day, need go to office police or no?
No, Uber will take care of it. Uber will, if they want the case, they can pull the case.
If ask me anything, I can give him this one.
Yep.
Yes. You have any? You need any? Do you need my apps picture or my profile?
Nope. I already recorded everything I needed to.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a better day.
You too.
This incident shows just how fast a situation can escalate, even when no one's trying to commit a serious crime. Chantel didn't steal the car, she didn't hurt anyone. But in a moment of poor judgment, she made the one move you never make, getting into the driver's seat of a car that's not yours, while intoxicated. The camera doesn't lie, and even though officers showed compassion, the law still had to step in. A night of drinking doesn't excuse a moment of recklessness. And when things go sideways, body cam footage becomes the ultimate witness.
Bag, basically?
No, because your bags were in the back seat. All of your property was in the back seat.
Is there video?
There
of
is.
Me going in the front seat.
There is, and it's gonna be submitted to the courts.
That's fine.
That's
fine. Just put me in jail. It's fine. Literally, I'm at that point in my life. Like, I have the shit going on in Idaho. I lost my freaking job. Like, whatever you need to do, just fucking do it. I have a dog though, and I want my dog is like my kid.
You will literally be out probably in like the next 4 hours, if it even takes that long. Your dog, you will be able to come back and.
Somebody needs to take care of my dog. That's all I care about. My kids are good. They're gonna be 18 in November. Oh my god. That was.
Are your kids at home?
What?
Are your kids home?
No, I'm
Okay.
divorced. Me and my ex got divorced. My kids were 4. But at the same time, I don't want to be a bad example to them. But at the same time, life is life.
This doesn't make you a bad person.
I learned that you can't be an asshole either.
Yeah. At no point in time were you an asshole to me or to even the Uber driver from.
I don't think I was an asshole to anybody.
No, you
That's
weren't.
why I'm like, what are you doing to me?
But the unfortunate part is that the person.
I had a fucking warrant. I know.
But I'm not. That's not why you're going. You're like the warrant. You have a warrant, yes, but you're not. It's not extraditable, so I'm not charging you with that warrant.
Yeah, but you guys are having fucking fun with it.
What do you mean?
You're fucking having a great day. This is so fun for you.
I wouldn't say that this is fun for me. Honestly, I wouldn't say that this is fun for me.
Well, it's not fucking fun for me. I'll tell you what, I have to pee really bad.
Well, I can let you know that there is a van coming that will have that ability. The unfortunate thing is that if you do pee in my car, then you're gonna have to clean it.
I'm not gonna
I know. I have to say that because I've had people.
Gave me a warning, though.
Yeah, because people don't realize that. I've had people do it before, and it's not. They don't like that, which I understand.
Alright, so listen here.
Yes, ma'am.
Here. I am not a bad person.
No, you're not.
But I really wish you would patrol where I live, because I feel like there are some creepy fucking people where I fucking live.
Like that live in there?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Apartment complex. There's some fucking weird shit going on there.
Like what's going on?
Like, I feel like somebody murdered somebody.
Why?
Because I see flies everywhere and I don't know, just weird shit. I'm very intuitive and it's just very creepy. I don't try to be in people's shit, but I don't know, it's just weird. He doesn't look anybody in the fucking face. It's very
yeah,
side to side, has a backpack, walks everywhere he goes. Haven't seen him anywhere, and now there's flies all over that place. And I don't know.
Do you know what apartment that is?
Yes I do. No, I don't know the numbers.
Okay.
It's literally diagonal from where I live though, because I used to work from home.
Yeah.
But I would really like you to check that out.
Of course.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Like, I do not feel comfortable.
Like I said, this is a situation where I have no control on the charge. Like, if he wants to press charges, I have to honor that request.
I didn't do it.
So he initially wanted you to be charged with attempted grand theft. However, based on our conversation,
me.
Yeah, because you got in his driver's seat. So he's like, she tried to steal my car. I'm like, okay, let me. I know you say that, but I saw the video. There's video of it. Which is, again, why I have to do something, because it's not like it's, oh, he said that it happened. No, it actually happened. But I was able to dispel that. I don't believe that you were trying to steal his car. I just think that you had a little too much to drink tonight, and you got kicked out of the car, and you kind of were like, well, what about now, kind of a thing. Like, this is just my assumption.
With him being a creep and a weirdo.
But the issue is he got back inside his car. So he wanted to press charges. I have to apply. I can't be like, well, you can't.
Can you show me that video? Because I
So,
don't believe that I got back in that car.
That's fine. I recorded the video on my body cam, and I don't have the
I would
ability.
like to see that, though, because why would I do that? I have no animosity.
So,
period.
So let me explain. There's no screen on my body cam.
I have no animosity. No animosity.
Okay, dear. Do you need help?
No. Although I think that there's something in here.
Yeah. Alright, so what he's gonna do, he's gonna put the cuffs around you to the front. So if I can just have you just put your feet underneath
Can I go
those.
pee at some point?
The faster that we do this, the faster you get to go pee, I promise.
If we don't have to make another stop before we go to jail, we should be there in about 5 minutes. Put your feet under.
Under. Face that way, put your feet under.
Yes.